Hello my party people, this is Zakwana and welcome to my vlogs. Woohoo! I am so excited for this. I'm so excited to start this journey and share it with you guys. So let's get into it without wasting any time. So starting with why and what is happening right now. This is my YouTube channel and I am going to create content for lifestyle, fitness, traveling and everything fun revolving around one and only me. So before we move ahead, I just want to say that fuck, there's a crow. Wait guys, check this out. There's a crow. Hello. Stop irritating me and let me shoot you little crow. So I think a lot of you guys must be puzzled that why am I traveling right now and what is the need since there's a pandemic going on and everything is crazy around the world. But honestly, I've been planning this travel for 1.5 years now and I am traveling mainly for my training. I am an aerialist and a pole dancer. So I am gonna train there and that is the main motto. Vlogging is just for you guys to come around with me and just for me to share my journey with you guys and have a little bit of fun. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get started. I'm gonna fill you guys in about what all I've done till now and then I will take you guys with me throughout the next few months. So I got my COVID test done yesterday, which was Eid day, so check that clip out. I was so scared and nervous as you can see in this clip. Ugh. And I also finished my packing, which I have recorded for you guys, so I'm going to insert all those videos right now so you can have a look, have fun. Hi guys, so I am all ready to pack. It is midnight right now, that's why the lighting, but everything is out right now. I just have to put them in the bags. I will take you along with me and you will see how I pack. It's very messy, but I'm going to try my best to be as clean as possible. So this is the setup that we have right now. I have this big bag and this smaller bag that I need to fill in. I have extra bag as well, but I think I'm not going to use it. These are my toiletries. This is the big fur jacket that I think just in case. And these are my activewear. So I'm going to start with this bigger bag. It has a lot of space. I think I can fit all my clothes in here and all the little things that I have, I can put them in the smaller bag. So that will be better. Let me just start doing it and you guys can see. Cool, I'm just putting like my innerwear here because I don't have that small little bag where I can put everything. So I'm just gonna keep it here so that it's safe and sound. I'm sipping on this Kadha while packing. It's such an Indian thing. Tell me if your mom makes it for you as well. It tastes disgusting, but apparently it helps you. So yeah, but it tastes disgusting. I mean, she has put honey in it, but I don't think it's doing anything to it. Okay, I'm gonna chug it. Disgusting. Okay, since we already have so much space left, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like pack this small one first and whatever is left I'm gonna dump it here. I think that's a good plan. So let's do that. I'm gonna first put this big jacket. So where I'm going, apparently it's supposed to be summers, but it's a very cold nation, so I am scared. That's why I'm carrying such a big jacket because I feel cold a lot. So I think it's safe to carry this one even though it's summers there. I've been stalking a lot of people from that. It's so difficult to not say the country, but I've been stalking a lot of people there and they are wearing jackets, like big jackets, even though it's summers. So I think even I have to wear it. I have to share this with you guys that these boxes were a gift from my friend Aditi when we attended her wedding, and these have helped me so much while traveling. Like I always use them. They're so beautiful and so like strong that I can put like all my makeup, all my toiletries here. They have two more. like this one where I put my medicines, and this one I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here, but I'm definitely gonna take this one because just look at it, it's so pretty and so beautiful. So yeah, thanks Aditi. Yeah, so I'm dumping everything else that is left here in the bigger bag because this one is nicely packed now. I am carrying my own protein because last time when I was traveling abroad and I bought a protein from there, it was disgusting. So I think it's a better idea that I carry my own. What else do we have? Ooh, I have these bag set which I got from Dubai, and these are amazing. Like they have 2 bigger bags inside. The tag is still on. It was for 400 dirhams. But I think I got it on sale. I'm sure I got it on sale. So yeah, they have like 2 big bags inside. So if I have a lot of luggage, I can use these. I have to put my heels and my shoes in a bag. And this one has my shampoo. I am packing it like this so that it does not spill or anything. So yeah, this one has my shampoo. And I think that is it. Oh, I have just one more bag. And that is it. That is it that we have to pack. Yay! Now let's start with my handbag. This bag is from Zara and it is very spacious. I use it all the time. But after a few uses, as you can see, like it has a little bit of lint. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I got it washed, but still it's there. I cannot do anything about it. I just love this bag. Cool. So for my bag, we have my laptop, which I will need. But before that, let me just like fill. So they have this pouch inside. I'm gonna put my power bank, my hard drive, sanitizer, so important. Oh, also this Himalaya one is amazing. This is not sponsored, but this is amazing. It has such nice orange smell. This one's amazing. So yeah, if you want, you can get this. This one is my perfume. It's from CK, Calvin Klein. It's amazing. It's called The One. The One. Yeah, my wallet, it's from Alan Solly if you're interested. I have my earphones as well. These are from Boat. New ones, I don't know how they will perform. This is my camera bag, which will go here. I have my laptop charger, sanitary napkin, and a few extra sanitizers. All this will go here. Oh, and the most important thing ever, my journal. I keep it in my bag. This is the best thing ever. It says little by little, a little becomes a lot, which is so true, and it just has everything about me. So yeah, my journal. Then the laptop, then the GoPro, then the charger, then my wallet and my notebook. So I think we are done. Everything is packed. Oh, my mom got me some dry fruits as well. I think I'm gonna keep it like in this bag, in my handbag. Yeah, so it's there. I'm not taking a lot of things. Like, it looks a lot, but I'm going for a couple of months. I'm not taking anything to eat, or I'm not taking my pole heels or stuff like that, because I think I'm gonna shop a lot from there. So I'm just keeping a lot of empty space. Like if you can see here, there is so much empty space. It's all because when I come back, I'm gonna fill all of this up. So yeah, that's the plan. And I think we are done right now. I'm gonna keep the bags open for the next day because I might want to keep something at the other inside, and it will just be very handy. And on the day that I am leaving, I'm gonna close everything up and just chain it up, and we shall be good. Okay, one last amazing thing that I need to share is this digital weighing thing, which helps you to weigh your bags. It is so handy. It's so small as well. I had a bigger one, but I think misplaced it somewhere. But this one is so sleek and so nice. I'm going to link it down below if you want it. But this is basically to weigh your bag before you leave for the airport. So once you're there, there should not be like extra kg or 2 here and there. So this comes in really handy. So now that you know that I am done packing and it is all done, you saw that there's a little bit of space left in my baggage. So I'm thinking that why not fill all of that space up with food? I know I just said that I will not fill that space with food, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it with some snacks, which I will need for the next 2-3 days. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the grocery store right now, maybe with my sister. My sister's joining me, so we both will go to the grocery store. So let's not waste any time and let's just kill this crow right now, because dude, like, this is my first vlog. I'm trying really hard to not fumble, and you're out here cawing. Like, really? Guys, I'll just see you in a while. Guys, this is our favorite section right here. I think we're gonna take this one. This one, or do you want this one? Beetroot. Hi guys, so we are done with the shopping. Say hi to my sister. She will show her face soon under the mask. But we are done right now. We're gonna just go home and I'm gonna just fit all of this in my bag and see how it goes. The shopping is done, everything is totally done. I feel I am so ready for this trip. I'm gonna leave tomorrow for the airport in the evening, so probably I'll start a new vlog then, and I will reveal the destination in tomorrow's vlog, so make sure you tune in for that. Apart from that, I would really like if you guys can comment down below where do you think I'm going, and yeah, that'd be so cool if you guess it correctly. But yeah, I am so excited. But yeah, I am so excited to take you guys with me throughout the journey. I'm gonna be out for a couple of months, so that's insane. And I am traveling in a pandemic. I am gonna be very careful, double masking, sanitizing, all of that. It's a very unique situation to be traveling in, so I will definitely share my experience with you guys, so in case you are traveling in the future, you will also know. So make sure that you follow me along in this beautiful journey, and I will see you around. Bye bye.